वेलकम बैक काला घोड़ा फेस्टिवल में आपका स्वागत है। मेरे साथ मेरा नाम है हिरेन और मेरे साथ है कैमरामैन प्रशांत। आई एम फ्रॉम बॉम्बे टाइम्स।
Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Prashant from back from PJRIDES, and today we are at Kala Ghoda. And the Kala Ghoda Art Festival is annual festival, 9 days long, commencing always on the first Saturday of February and closing always on the second Sunday in February in the Kala Ghoda area of South Mumbai. The festival section are visual arts, dance, music, theatre, cinema, literature, including children's literature as a subsection, workshops, heritage walks, urban design and architecture, food, a dedicated section for children and a vibrant street section including stalls selling eco-friendly handmade arts and crafts. This year, Mumbai's annual Kala Ghoda Art Festival is celebrating its 20th anniversary as well as the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. And before we even start our video, we need to eat, don't we? So here is a voice of Dombivali, Mr. Hiren. I love his accent.
Alright, we are heading towards the chart counter in Kala Ghoda. This is the chart counter. This is the Pani Puri, and we have Dahi Khasta Kachori. Lovely. This is the Kachori chaat. And we have the Khaman Doklas, the chanas, the samosas, oh wow, the gulab jamuns. And here's the surti undio.
ये खाना पड़ेगा भाई.
This is the undio, Hedu vada, vadara vada.
And I hated him for not listening to me. And I wanted to eat. And he said,
we'll have it afterwards.
So I took my camera back from him. So Kala Ghoda Festival is actually one of the most beautiful festivals that we have in Mumbai. This is actually famous for art festival. So everybody comes here and shows their creativity. So this is one of the most creative structures that I've actually seen right now.
It's made of cycle parts.
It's made of
cycle parts.
all cycle parts.
Yeah, everything is made of the cycle parts.
After taking my camera back, I wanted to shoot him. So I did.
Hi, this is Hiren. Right now I'm at Kala Ghoda Festival. This is my profile pic
And
for
there,
Instagram.
he just sounded like a zombie.
Yes.
So one of the things that Kala Ghoda is famous for is the colors. These are really beautiful colors. Do you see those colors? I envy the owner of this vehicle and the accomplishment that he accomplished. Wow. Look at the happiness on my face. भाई 29 states तो मैंने अभी तक कवर नहीं किए और वो भी 27 days में इसने कवर किए. भाई मेरे को करना है. I was just awed by the creativity and the fantastic work this festival portrays. Look at the horse made from a glass, the Bombay Times stall, and this amazing something that I did not understand, followed by the sitting area, and finally I had to let it out.
और प्रशांत जी आ गए हमारे रखवाड़े के अंदर.
This is so beautiful. Trust me, you have to be here, guys. This is actually one of the places that you need to be in the festival times. There are multiple stalls where you can buy some fantastic, creative and unique stuff. This is one lovely festival you need to be in. So this is the end of my vlog. Hope you guys liked it. Please share, subscribe because it's free. Thank you. Bye-bye.